Hi my friends. Today I want to teach you yet another tip on how to improve your overall environment by removing toxic chemicals that damage your health and well-being. Today we're going to be diving into cleaning products. If you are not already aware of the damaging toxic chemicals that are being put into our cleaning products alongside our fragrances, such as Chanel perfumes, etc., check out this video. In the United States, they have a law that is passed that does not require companies to label the exact type of fragrance chemicals used in their products. Therefore, they can blanket any chemical in secrecy with the label fragrance. The same fragrance chemicals that are being used in our cleaning products are the same ones that are being used in high-end luxury perfumes. So, because people have become much more aware with the chemicals that are being sprayed in our homes and toxifying the air that we're breathing in our home, they have come out with alternative, healthy cleaning products at Whole Foods and other more conscious stores, like this one. Mayors is no better than Fabuloso, which, if you know anything about Fabuloso, that's like the most toxic thing you could possibly clean with. So forget about this and continuing to use all of these plastic bottles. Let's come up with a more permanent, cost-effective solution with a few simple ingredients. I make all my cleaning products at home for several years now, and I can't tell you how much plastic and money I have saved doing so. You want to make sure to get some glass, and you're going to reuse this over and over. So this is a counter spray, and all you need is purified water, 5 drops of lemon, and 2 tablespoons of this concentrate cleaner from doTERRA. You can find this on Amazon, or if you have an account with doTERRA. This concentrate cleaner, which has all of the ingredients listed on the back, is made with pure essential oils and not cut essential oils, because there are many essential oils that are not natural or pure. These are all certified. They're all natural and therapeutic. It contains essential oils that also boost your immunity, which is an extra benefit. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of your concentrate, and with these 3 ingredients, you shake it and you have a wonderful at-home counter cleaner, and you've just removed all the toxic chemicals. Same thing with your dish soap. When you get your dish soap, make sure that it's fragrance-free. Always go for the fragrance-free. Same with cleaning in the dishwasher, because this gets on your plates and then you eat on your plates. So make sure everything you're getting is fragrance-free. And I made my own Febreze. Febreze is super toxic. You have no idea. Please never use it. This one is just water. You can get a sprayer, add some water, and add 5 to 10 drops of lemon with an included essential oil of your choice. So if you like lavender or if you like citrus, you can get creative with it. And you just spray every time there is a smell that you want to remove from the environment. Or if you're in a place where they're cooking animal, I use this all the time and it cuts the smell out instantly, which is wonderful. Next, I want to show you a carpet cleaner that I made. This one is just with baking soda and 10 drops of lemon essential oil. You shake it, you put it on the carpet for about 20 minutes, and then you vacuum it up. You've just removed like 50 plus toxic chemicals with this alone, and it's much more cost effective. With vidrio, it's in Spanish, but with glass cleaner, all you're going to do is fill it with water. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar with 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, and you're going to do 5 drops of peppermint oil. You shake it and you've got yourself an amazing natural cleaner. I also created my own bleach by using a 16-ounce glass bottle, filling it half with hydrogen peroxide and the other half with distilled water. I then add 5 drops of lemon, and that naturally whitens any dirty clothes that you have. Also, for cleaning the floors, you can fill a bucket for your mop, and then you're going to put 2 tablespoons of doTERRA concentrate cleaner alongside with 5 to 10 drops of lemon, and then you can add some drops of orange or lavender depending on what you really want to bring into the house, what kind of vibe, whether a flower essence or more of a citrus. And then you just let that turn into a foam, and that can be used to clean all the floors in your house as well. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my personal DIY cleaning products list so that you can get started on implementing these changes to your household products. Changing just the cleaning products in your house is going to improve the air quality for you and those around you. If you found this video to be useful, please do consider donating with the link below so that I may continue to deliver free content for you. I'm sending you all so much light and illumination and improvement into our future.